Hello, this is Monique Gomez, and this is a tofu nugget night. So this is what they came out to look like. So crunchy and crispy. So edible and soft in the middle. See that white firm tofu? And it's super easy to make. Ouch, it's still hot. You just get the vegan Louisianna brand fish fry. And then you mix it in a Ziploc bag without getting your fingers dirty. Then you fry it in vegetable oil, deep frying until they're golden brown, until the nuggets are ready to eat. Still smoky in there. See that? Nice nuggies. Let y'all drool there for a moment. Thank you, naman to God loves it and remember Mama takes the hand of mouse. Teach me maybe it'll be smart beings. Well, Vrena so great out for Motiko. Allowing us to be Motikos ourselves and for naturally much rain out the much universe. All women of citizen.